I've made some pretty cool customs before, but I've never made anything as insane as what I'm going to be doing today. Today, I'm going to be completely customizing my entire PC. So, let's just get into it. Alright, the first step of customizing my PC is taping it up to make sure all the bits and pieces work after the custom is done. This thing's dusty, oh my. Now that the PC is all taped up, we can now move on to the spray painting. Spray painting my PC white ensures that my markers work to their full potential when I'm using them. Alright, after letting the paint dry overnight, the PC is all white, and we can now move on to the sketching. Today I'm going to be doing an insane Pokemon drawing of Entei and Raikou with doodles and all that crazy stuff, so let's just get started. After spending my entire morning sketching this up, my hand is so dead, so it's now time to draw some sexy lines. I try to make these lines the smoothest and most satisfying lines you've ever seen, so it took multiple days to finish, but that's okay because I reckon this custom is going to be the best custom I've ever made. Not sure if it's a blessing or a curse, but hey, I felt worse, baby, I promise I'll treat you right. I know she would love me down to the ends of the earth. She would show me my worth, she would make me feel right. Not sure if I was just about halfway done with the inking, but I decided to call it a day, have a nap. I'll treat you right. I know. Oh crap, it's day 4, but I slept in way too late. School started over an hour ago, but it's okay, because I'm going to take a day off and finish the inking. This is the longest it's ever taken me to ink a doodle, but as you can see, it's looking pretty clean. But just before I keep going on with this custom, let me quickly talk to you about the epic sponsor of this video. Skillshare is an insane online learning community with tens of thousands of inspiring classes that can help you develop and sharpen your drawing, editing skills, and literally anything you can think of. Skillshare offers classes that are designed to help you in real life circumstances and prepare you for your future. Each and every class can help you stay inspired in your work, express yourself, and introduce you to a community of millions. One class that I would highly recommend to you guys is Jaron Vogel's How to Use Procreate class. Vogel is an amazingly talented digital artist who can teach you in amazing detail the ways of Procreate and digital art. After you've watched one of these, you'll be able to make crazy artworks just like these. Skillshare is also ridiculously affordable, giving you access to each and every one of his classes for less than $10 USD a month. Bro, that's a cop and a half! So what are you waiting for? Join the continuously growing Skillshare community by clicking the first link in the description, and the first 1,000 of you to join using this link will get 2 months of Skillshare Premium for free. Alright, now back to the custom. Same color as my heart, going 80 in a 6-speed, drifting through the yard. Always wonder if you miss me, maybe not. Regardless of the answer, I can promise you I'm gone. Gathering my feelings, had to put them all together. I can feel the way you treated me was colder than December. Every day with you was different, it was never getting better. Always told me that I need you, but I'm thinking that I doodles are now complete, and that means the inking is done too. But we've only just got halfway done with the custom. Oh man. Anyways, no time to cry about it. Let's get this thing colored. Was tragic, straight down to ashes. Play with my heart in the dark, you was capping. In this drawing, I'm going to be using a wombo combo of both Posca and Ohuhu markers to get an ultra sexy result. The Ohuhu markers turned out to be a little streaky when trying to blend, but it is what it is. In a blacked out whip, same color as my heart, going 80 in a 6-speed, drifting through the yard. I decided to use my shrimpy color combo that I usually use because I don't know, I just reckon it looks so cool on these legendary Pokemon. This is looking so clean, bro. Alright, now we're gonna do some shrimpy magic to color in Raikou's body. Pow! Just like that. Alright, the lighting's gone ultra mega poopy trash again, so we're gonna wait till tomorrow to continue the coloring. Alright, it's already tomorrow, I'm turning my lights on and we're now ready to keep going. Let's go. Cooking right up in the stool, got a cheddar fan. Young watching out for ops, yeah they not my friends. People
just like that, after 7 days of hard work, the drawing was done. Now all I gotta do is quickly tape it up, spray paint in an epic galaxy, and then we will be done. Oh, this looks awesome! And as me and Gil are taking off the final pieces of tape, this custom is done. Thank you all so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy the reveal.
Yeah, it's that super, no Shima flow. Yeah, 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 yeah. It's that super, no Shima flow. Yeah, 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 yeah. It's your boy, it's your man, Young Josh A coming through with the plan. I wrote a couple songs and I gained a couple lives. Moved to Orlando, now I'm living fine.